Hey guys, welcome back to Wrenie Bird channel. Momma Bird here, and the game master locked me in Wrenie Bird's room. So I have to get out.
Wahaha, this was my evil plan. Your clue is here.
Okay. When you look
Before
at me,
you read the clue, you must find an orange crystal and the doors will unlock.
I get a little claustrophobic, so if I don't start to solve these quickly, we're gonna have an issue. When you look at me, you see yourself, but backwards. Backwards? Like behind me? Or like a reflection? Well, let's see. There's a mirror. Hey! I don't see anything in there though. Another mirror. Am I looking for another clue? Am I just looking for something out of place? I don't know! See yourself backwards. Maybe it's over here again. Where? In the room? What? Maybe in here? Oh my gosh, it was behind the mirror! I shine bright and I'm as high as a light. So the chandelier, maybe? Ooh, if y'all saw that video where I hit my head, it was a little jacked up from that. High as a light. I shine bright. Oh, could it be this? Well, Wrenie Bird's got a lot of trophies. Could it be up there? She's got this thing. It's on her bling. Okay. I call our girl Tough Cookie, but you would get angry at me because of this. Wrenie Bird's dad used to buy her tons of stuffed animals, and the biggest one is this Mr. Bear. Rest your head on me and count sheep. Pillow, right? This is Wrenie Bird's favorite pillow. Not under there. Not under there. What? Rest your head on my head and count sheep. Well, she's a lamb. Baby bunny? Maybe this big pillow? Oh, a sock. Gotta wash that. What in the world? This dog?
I would like to give you some help since I'm feeling nice today.
I obviously need it.
I will give you one free call. You may call Mr. Bird Mike.
Mr. Bird Mike? Well, I don't have a call. Phone a friend. Don't look at my password. Okay. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know that I know how to. Hi. I need help. I count sheep? Question mark. hope he gets this. In the meantime, I see scissors there.
Maybe you should keep looking.
Maybe it's under the bed? Rest my head. If y'all know and you're not telling me, we're gonna have some serious issues. Rest your head on my head and count sheep. I have one phone a friend and he's not answering. What am I gonna do? Okay. He's not answering. FaceTime unavailable.
I will allow you to call back if he does not answer.
Rest your head on my head. Head. What has a head? A coin has a head. But why would you count sheep on a coin? This is crazy.
You might have to call him back. He did not pick up.
It says unavailable. It says unavailable. Broken. Did we know that was broken? Okay. The door's locked. I can't call downstairs to my phone a friend because the door's locked.
Try calling again.
I'm starting to panic. It says FaceTime unavailable. That does not mean he's not answering. It means he's unavailable.
Try seeing if he texted you back.
No. He didn't. Maybe if I just send him a bunch of Pop-Tart kitties. That Pop-Tart kitty is mad because he's not answering. This one's really mad. I'm not going to send the lovey one. Wait a minute. I hear him.
No cheating.
Answer!
No yelling.
He's probably getting a snack. He's watching the ball game. Answer me! Answer me!
No yelling. Or else the door gets locked for longer.
That's not the rules.
I make the rules.
What's he saying? I can hear him. Help me!
No yelling, little missy.
Help!
No yelling.
You rest your head on my head. You count sheep. I keep trying to FaceTime you. I need help. I rest your head on my head to count sheep.
All right, well, let me in. Oh,
The door's locked.
what's that?
I rest your head on my head to count sheep.
Okay, what do you rest your head on?
A pillow.
What else has a head?
A coin.
What else has a head?
Stuffed animals.
What else has a head that involves sleep?
Pillow?
You've already said that. Use your brain.
Can you just tell me? Because that's what the photo friend is. Not for me to reread the clue every time.
No, I'm not going to give it to you. What involves sleep? What are some things involve sleep? Huh? What are some things? Name some things that make you that are involved with sleep. You said pillow, and I said no.
I don't know.
You don't know what
Spray? Sleep spray?
What involves? What are some things that you have to encounter when you sleep? Hey, why are you so thick? You said one thing. You said one thing.
A bed?
Hell yeah. Now you're thinking. Now you're using that lump for your food.
I know, but I've already searched the bed.
Okay. Well, I don't know where she put the clue or the thing, but if read the riddle one more time.
You rest your head on my head and count sheep.
Okay, so you guessed. What was your guess?
The bed.
Okay, now does the bed have a? Where's the head of the bed?
Where the pillows are.
Well, that's where the riddle should be. I can't help you beyond that.
Well, it's not.
Well, then that's David's fault.
Do you mean Wrenie Birds? I'm not remaking this bed. Ow! We both a face, but don't get too close to mine because I'm shocking. That might be that face thing that I was looking at over there. I'm shocking? She is kind of shocking, okay. This thing? Dang, I thought I had it right. There's no clue on her, though. Oh. This thing's got two faces. See? I don't know. We both a face. I think she's missing A. We both have a face, but don't get too close to mine because I'm shocking. Maybe like an eel? Maybe that jellyfish? This is kind of like a jellyfish. That might shock you. Oh! The faceplate of an electrical outlet? That would shock you. Okay. Hey! I found the clue! I can escape! Yay! Okay, bye.
Hi guys, Momma Bird stuck in my bedroom from the Game Master. Comment down below. Bye.